What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another travel adventure. Today we are at Beaver Creek State Park, which is absolutely beautiful, as you can see here. It is a nice snowy winter day, and today I just decided to drive down here. This park is sort of located by East Liverpool in southern Ohio. So it's a very nice park, and there's various buildings here to explore, so I will be showcasing all of that in today's video. Alrighty, everyone, so this is the Beaver Creek trail map, as you can see here. There's various locations to travel to, but I'm not going to cover all of them in this episode. So there's the Dogwood Trail, the archery range. There's various little buildings as well to visit throughout this park. Some recreational sites and picnic tables. So I just highly recommend a trip to this place if you're looking for something interesting to do. And as you can see over here, Beaver Creek State Park is located just off of Route 11 near Lisbon and Columbiana. So there's a little identification there. Gonna take a quick walk down to the river here before I showcase the buildings. Wow, guys, it's so beautiful over here. This water is crystal clear. As you can see, there's also a little bridge down here which connects everything. So it's a nice little access point. Alrighty, everyone, so now it's a time to explore these various buildings throughout Beaver Creek State Park. And our first location is the Thomas J. Malone Bridge. Pretty beautiful. Nice old structure here. Alright, guys, here's a quick little walkthrough. It's pretty cool here. This place is kind of like an old pioneer's village from the 1800s or something. It says on this building up here that this was a Theo Alibi blacksmith shop, or alibi. Pretty interesting. We have like an old town's bell up here or something. It looks like some kind of pretty cool looking bell. And over here This building is the William Vaudreuil III Chapel. Pretty interesting. Not really sure about the history of these particular buildings, but it's a really cool place, that's for sure. Alrighty everyone, so this next building, I believe it's called Gaston's Mill. And, oh, that was a pretty cool vehicle that went by. But anyways, this is Gaston's Mill over here. And now let's go and explore this area. It says it's built in 1830. So, I'm assuming this is some kind of mill used to, I don't know, water-driven mill used to generate power or electricity, or it could possibly be even used to grind wheat and process that. Okay everyone, so the Thomas J. Malone Bridge. This covered bridge stood in the 1870s over Middle Run on State Route 154 between Lisbon and Elkton, Elk Run Township. It was converted to a storage shed and moved twice by the Elk Run Township trustees. Mr. Malone, a covered bridge researcher, found the structure along the Pine Hollow Road and recognized it as a covered bridge. Restoration was completed in 1971. Also, everyone, Gaston's Mill was built in 1830 by Samuel Conkle. Gaston's Mill was owned and operated by 8 men, chief among whom was Philander Gaston. The last operator was Levi Hickman. Power for the mill was originally supplied by water, later by steam and gas engines. Operations was discontinued in the late 1920s. So there you go, guys. Got a brief little history about the mill. Okay, now let's travel up here. Check out what this area has to offer. Looks like there's some smaller buildings over here. We got an outhouse in the back. The tulip tree. Nice, we got another little cabin over here. Floyd's Lower Cabin. An old 1800s village wouldn't be complete without a traditional outhouse, as you can see. Looks like we also have a little pot over here, colander for cooking. It's pretty nifty. Okay. And now I think this is the main attraction here, which is the Beaver Valley Home. This building's really interesting looking. So one thing I have to say is, during the winter months, this place is kind of dead, I would say. There's really not much going on here. But if you come back during the summer and spring, this place is really active, so that's what I would recommend. Over here, we have Beaver Creek Trading Company. As you can see, here's some of the things that this place offers. Stone ground meal, candy, ice cream, and camping supplies. Alrighty everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's travel adventure to Beaver Creek State Park, and stay tuned for more adventures coming soon. I would have stayed a little bit longer here today, but it's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's a little bit chilly here, plus the winds are kind of intense. So anyways, thank you so much for watching guys, and stay tuned for more content coming soon.